Alright, today we're going to work on a fender on a Harley. This guy left his Harley at somebody's house, and whenever he came back to pick it up, it had this dent magically appear. So we're going to try to get this thing out to where you don't have to paint it. It has a little minor crack that you can't really see, but it's in the base coat. There you go, right there. You can see it right through here. Anyway, we're going to try to get it to where it'll come up and won't have to get painted. But boy, it's a good looking bike, real nice color on it, so we can hopefully save him a lot of time and money. So we're getting ready to clean this off with some alcohol, and we're going to try some cold glue because I'm just going to try my best not to put any pokes in this color, because it's got the pearl and stuff, and it will definitely show up and be magnified on this bright color. So don't want to put any pokes at all in this if there's any way possible, even if I can level them out. Gotta kind of baby this one. Let that alcohol do its job, kind of break down any waxes or whatever, wipe it off, and then we'll see what we can do here. Pulled up some. Oh yeah, glad I went this route for sure. So get this glue pushed back to a point so we get kind of the center section of the dent here. Actually coming up really, really nice. Now I can feel there's a high here. Low there, but I am not going to pull over top of that cracked paint at all, because if you do, it comes off and it's really messed up. Clean this excess cold glue off here. See it better. Thank you. Alright, you can see here we still got little wibbles and wobbles and stuff we got to get worked out of it. Alright, we've got just a little bitty bit of imperfections here, and we're actually going to use this hot box, and the only tool we used was cold glue and this stand liner, the 2 blending hammers. So now we're going to use this hot box and go over this here a little bit, and this will smooth up little bitty imperfections, tightens up the metal, and makes it go a little bit quicker than just pushing up in between all of them, because this here just tightens up the little bitty spots that barely show anyway. Well, now when you walk up on it and you check it out, no more damage. Look at that. Way better. Man, that thing looks good. And that is a good looking bike too. The last time I did a motorcycle, it was actually at this same shop. So don't hardly ever do them, but this was about 6-8 months ago last time I did one. Call Dent Tamers for all your door dings, large dents, hail damage in the East Tennessee area.